Okay, welcome back. So we got the market down 180, 187 points. Yesterday's low was 18,244. That, of course, was broken about an hour back. The market bounced above it briefly, but now back below it once again. This is the state of affairs. The November low, I think, comes back into focus, and we've been talking about that. That is 18,133. That is still 100 points away from where we are. Mitessh is with us. Mitessh, now downtrend resuming, but maybe this time the impulse coming in from the push coming from global markets more than anything. What's your sense, and what would you advise viewers to do?
Morning again, Prashant. I think you were rightly highlighting this 18,130 level, which is the next target area, 130, 150 zone, because we have the closings around 18,160 was the closing on that day when we hit a low of 18,133. But broadly, as I said, this market looks like to be going through more volatility and choppiness with some downward bias. So 18,130, and then in a strong possibility, levels of 18,000 or just below that could also be visited. So idea is that this market should be used, rallies in this market should be used to possibly get into some short-sighted positions, and long should be exited. I think that's a very clear outlook which we have maintained, and we'll maintain with some negative view for the coming few days. Maybe around this 18,150, 18,000 zone, we will see some reversal, but till then, I think, trade with more of short bias. I, in fact, have two sell calls right now. SBI Life is a stock which is breaking down. So that's a sell with a stop at about levels of 1260 for targets of around 1200, which is close to the 200 average area. And the other one is NMDC, which is a sell as well. Keep a stop just above levels of 123 here. Look for targets of 114.
Mitessh, at the current juncture, can someone go short and play for this 100-point down tick?
I think it can always be done because, yesterday the idea was that 18,450 would be the best level to take short position. But if somebody wants to go short now, I think put options route can be explored as yet. Buy into the 18,200 strike put option.
Okay, there is some problem with Mitesh's feed, so we'll try to reconnect that. But in the meantime,